Good morning, and today is Tuesday, August the 8th, 2023. We are in the second day trading of this trading week, and this week is the high impacts new week because we have a CPI release on Thursday. Look at the economic calendar, so it's on Thursday, August the 10th. So let's see how the price action gonna play out first. I just want to show you real quick on the 4-hour time frame. So we can see that right here is the short setup, and this all happened before the pre-market, right? A little bit yesterday. So if you have a conviction right here, you see bearish order block, fair value gap, retest. So if you have a conviction, you should have put the order in here when it retests here, and now you can take profit right there. But you always see that some kind of manipulation is happened in the pre-market. So it's very, if you only trade in the day, in the main section, from 9:30 to 4, right, or to 3, you don't have opportunity to catch this move right there. So what we want to see, if this the down move, if we finish with this, retest right here, it finished by taking, you see the sell-side liquidity were taken. So let's see if that's down move is finished. It's no longer have a sell-side liquidity for short term. Then it's gonna come up and break, like yesterday we all right this. It may come up and take the buy side liquidity, which is the next target right there. So let's see how it's play out, right? But I want to point out that the Monday, yesterday, the 9 o'clock candle is up close. It's different from the week before that. The week before that is down close, and then the PM is up close. It's set up for short right there. So this one is give us some idea to take a look. So it may set up to go long, right? Let's see. Here's the London section for today. So basically the low of the private days were taken, and the London low were taken. So that's the note we need to put on our pre-market analysis right here, right? So we have today, we have the London taken, right, which is a sell-side liquidity, and also we have private day low, right? It also sell-side liquidity was taken. That's the note we observe. Yep, let's see. The pre-market volume, oh come on man, it's about 1,300,052. So the pre-market volume is above 1 million share, which is very significant right here, the pre-market volume right there. We pay attention to that, right? So 1.3 for 2 And let's see, in the pre-market it dropped to 6.4. Okay, it's about there, $2.90. All right, I think it will get started. So let's see if we see any setup right here. So basically right here, the buy sell is liquidity taken, buy sell liquidity taken. Right here, right, is a retest right here. What you call this order block right here, this is an order block, right? And retest the order block. So that's an idea. You see you have order block right here, right? Order block right here. Order block, displacement failure gap, and retest that order block, and boom, it go. Check buy sell liquidity. So let's see how it's move from here. So the first candle is up close. $16.46. The implied volatility dropped a little bit, 2 points from yesterday. Yesterday is 18.22%, but today only 16.48%. Right, 48. No, it's jumped to 37. 17. So we look at a 4-hour time frame, the bearish trade there. Let's see if it's gonna make it's gonna continue to sit sell side liquidity, continue to go down, or is there's no more liquidity, sell side liquidity, and it's start to rebound. Let's see. So here the second retest to this order block, we see. Wow, right there. See that? A retest there. So we have the Friday low taken and the London low were taken. So if we want to go long, then that the rule engagement right there has to go long. However, we have to make sure that the setup is right. It's gonna be a reversal. It's gonna be a retracement from here. We have to make sure we have that, but I don't see that right now. Well, on a 5 minute, we have a very good setup. If you want, you can go and check the trade right now. You see the setup? You see right here, sell liquidity taken, and this is the bullish breaker. It break through that and have follow gap and retest. That's bullish breaker the second time right there. Yeah, I think go in and take the trade. Go and check it. Ooh. No worry. Check it and put the stop loss. Where we need the stop loss. The stop loss just below here. Okay, go and check it. So the setup is what we call this setup is a bullish breaker, right? Fair value gap. The retest is a long setup, and the rule engagement with us to have a buy side liquidity was taken. Side liquidity taken, and then oh yeah, taken, and then before that we have a buy side liquidity was taken also. The short term, intermediate term. What our targets? Our target will be a target at the buy side liquidity prior swing high up there, at least up here, right? All right, let's see how it's play out first. And by the way, it is on this setup is on M5 5-minute time frame. M1 is just the entry first. Ooh. Remember, we put our stop loss right here. Let's see. Oh, that's our practice trade, okay? Yeah, I think we got stop out right there. We can push up stop out right there. Here's how it look on M5 right here. So we entry right here 30, or we entry 35. So basically it's the bearish breaker right there for us right there. But let's see how it play out. See what kind of feedback the market gives to us. So you see the search highlight was taken. On 4-hour time frame it look bearish. Come on. So I think it's better entry first right here, right after the sell side liquidity was taken. It's better for you. Yep. Yep, let's say better entry. Better entry first, it will be here. 37, 937. Here, just remember it retest, but it did not close below us. So you see, just grab the sell side liquidity right there. But here's another, I believe, here's another bearish breaker right here, right? You see this bearish breaker and displacement, value gap, and retest, so they can be a short. I want this to play out. I want this short to play out, maybe all the way here. It will be wonderful to go down here. Then we're thinking about go long, okay? Yep, it may, because the down move have finished yet. You know, we learned a lesson, the feedback from yesterday, right? When we see the short setup, let it play out. Let it take all the sell side liquidity. Don't go engage too early when there's so many sell side liquidity they need to take it out. When it take all the sell side liquidity in a short term or intermediate term, then it will rebound and then we can go from there to go long. Yeah, if we look at a 4-hour time frame, we should not hurry and take a long position right there. So far we took one practice trade, right? We go in at here because we believe that is the retest right here. on the 5-minute time frame. Yep. Yeah, look at this candle. It has special meaning in here. That's the reason why. This order block right there. Whenever you see this order blocks huge and the next candle to take the sell side liquidity only, and it's closed above that order block, then that gives you a very high setup for long right there. And in this case, it's retest them. But let's see, what is the glow of this candle for our time frame? $446.73. Yeah, right here, that's the level on. This is the level on 4-hour time frame. This is the close of the order block. This is a order block at 4, close, or you can say the order block low and high, right? Let's say low. Wow, exactly like that. How can you believe that? Oh, this one? Man, exactly 73. It hit exactly that level and it power backs. Man, that's beautiful. I show you right here. I have a look at the 4-hour time frame. You see, this is the order block, right? The close right there. Exactly hit right there, 73. You see, go back to 1 minute time frame. You see this low candle exactly 73, 446.73. You look right here, right there. You see that low right there, 446.73 right there. Let's see that the critical. You have to say, wow, now it broke through there. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. It may take this so shallow grid out also. Or it may take this so shallow grid from here. I think it will break it. Man, you look at a 1 hour time frame, you will see it will break it. I switch to 1 hour time frame. You see the 1 hour frame? I mean, it's really down. You see the setup right there. Order block, fair gap, retest, bearish order block. Boom. I think it will take out the sell side liquidity right here. Yeah, it will. Look at that. Wow. We don't see area here, you see. Ooh. Let's see, how do we miss here? What the low of this candle? $446. You're gonna take out 446. Sell liquidity. Let's see. Yep. Wow. 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 And that's a sell liquidity. That's 4-hour time frame. Sell liquidity. 446. Nice more sand. It will reach that level. This is the level that we are looking at. 4-hour time frame right here. You see this level. That's the sell liquidity. Wow, exactly. We identify, but we don't know that it's gonna take out this by liquidity, but we thought it's gonna do on Friday or something, but it do today. I mean, the level we anticipate is quite accurate, right? Yep. Look at that. It's gonna be huge. I think if we break it, it would take that level. Wow, how do we miss this short? We saw it. Oh yeah, we can trick right here. You can see that this is the auto block. Come on. Auto block. Fair value gap. You see the fair value gap? Then this one. Wow. Yeah. We meet this one now. Let's see. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, the retest. So you have to identify this auto block. The auto block on swing high is most reliable, but let's look at this for now. Right here, right? What makes this auto block significant? Look at that. Any the auto block after a swing high, right after swing high, how about that? Can be a significant right there. Okay, so this auto block and then fair value gap and retest right here. Yeah, so that's the setup that we have been missed. It's a good setup. You know why? Because buy sell liquidity was taken. Look at that. Ooh. and right here it trapped the ball, trap the ball right there. The ball go in, the buyer go in. Oh, seller we were taken to go buy. That exactly our thinking right there when we try to go long right here, but it break it. And trick that right there. Okay. Yeah, this is the perfect trade right here. Let's take a slingshot right here. This is an auto block, very simple trade. Right, it's an auto block. Let's level up, retest, short, setup, and you have a buy seller really taken. That's our requisites right there. Okay. Entry time 0940. Targets I set liquidity. Let's go for, yeah, let's put fair for now. Okay. Okay, let's see, there's gonna be a what? A retracement and continue to go down, take sell liquidity, or it's gonna bounce back from here. But here you have auto block, you have a fair value gap right here, and it take a retest and go reverse, or it continue the downtrend right here. Let's watch. I would love for it to go and take the cell salability one more time. We don't see any right here so-called intermediate term high. You need intermediate term high right here. Go up here and then go right here, make a high low, and then it go the reversal. But we don't see it here. We don't see the intermediate term high, but we see the failure swing high. So let's see. Right here, this is the order block. You see, if it break this order block, you should follow up retest all the way at 10. Wow, what a good time to go along. Well, we're very tempted to go along right here. You see, nice it up. Let's see. But look, a 4-hour time frame, it doesn't make sense to go along. I wanted to go and check out. Right here is 4-hour time frame, right? We really wanted to take out this cell liquidity right there. But remember yesterday right here, the first candle at 9, and today is below that candle. That gives you some idea that it's gonna be a bearish right there for the whole week right there. It's all below the opening gap, new week opening gap. Right, let's see. So right here we see that, right? We see now the intermediates term high right here. It will form right there, and this is gonna be a retest for us right there. Retest here, go here, we're gonna go long right here. Yeah, let's go long right here. Okay, we have the setup right here, right? Is bearish breaker, fair value gap, retest. We call bullish breakers. However, do we have sell-side liquidity taken? Yeah, but not in the short term right there. And we did before that. We have an auto block, fair value gap, retest also. Anti-time, I mean the anti-time is good. Let's say the target gonna be what? 09, 01, 09, 30. How about that? Let's see how it go. Right, where your stop loss? Your stop loss right here. Okay, at this bullish breaker right there. Our targets. Okay, so we go stop out on that trade already. We have a good stop loss right here. Wow, so too long trade it out. Yeah, we anticipate correctly right there. Previously, right, we want to take out this buy sell liquidity. So we see that when we go long, we don't have the so-called requirement, and we know that. So that's that, and we will practice to see how it play out, and it play out exactly what we initially anticipate, which is we wanted to take out the liquidity sell side right here, exactly on the 4-hour time frame. exactly, right? It take out liquidity right there, 40.46 and 40, so about 4 cents below that level. It go 4 cents below. Okay, so if you want to go long now, right? Because you have go long with confidence right now. You know what? Because you have a sell side reward taken, and this will be your order block right there. That's my friend. If you want to go long, then go long now. Don't go too early. Keep coming right here. This is our order block. Okay, go long now. Yeah, let's go long now. And the setup is there. Order block. So second, you know, we take early. We don't. Oh, hold on. You see the fair value gap? To retest. You can go early. At right here. It's just you go long. We go early with. Let's test it out, right? We go long. We just auto block. That's no follow up, no retest. Yeah, that it doesn't fix your setup. But anyway, let's see how it's play out. And the condition is the sell side liquidity taken. Entry time 8, 10, 13. So we take very early aggressive. Let's see. Here's a practice trade so we can do experiment. Wow, it take us out right away. Yeah, clearly there's no setup right there. It's just auto block. You don't see any fair gap. We know that. So that's how we need to train our brain. Yes, only be patient, wait for the setup. You don't see a setup, don't trade. Even though it looks very tempting, right? Oh, so liquidity going. We're gonna mix it, That is your concept level. You know, if you are mixing out right there, you need to control that right there. Yeah, we're so caught up right here, but if we look a little bit further out, we can see that right here is the barrier breaker, right? It break through that. Remember, auto block retest failed, then it become a barrier breaker, and you see that it break through with the fair value gap, and then it retest one, it retest twice, 3 times right there. So you can get a short setup right here. Makes more sense. Okay, let this short setup play out. Then you can involve. You don't involve right here. You go along. See that? Yep. Right here you have a setup for short. You don't have a setup for long yet. You don't. So while you try it, you go in right here. Yes, that's a lesson learned for right there. Right here you have a short setup. Why you try so long when there's no setup, but you have a beautiful short setup right here. Right, this is a barrier breaker, fair value gap, displacement right there, and then you have retest. And retest, how many times it retest? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times retest. So the best time for entry is maybe this one. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, entry them right here, 10:05. Wow, that's the time I entry for it right there. So we have a barrier breaker, fair up, retest, and this is a short setup. What do we have right here? Yeah, we do have a short-term buy-side liquidity taken, right? The short-term right here. Yeah, let's say short-term. And entry time is perfect. Also, channel 5 targets just you sell side liquidity on. Yep. Here we have a setup. This is bearish breaker right here. All right, we have about 6 more minutes to reach 10:30. 10:30 is a critical time because based on the DR model, that is when we know the high of the day or the low of the day. You see, you have a lot of fair value gap down right here. We have a little bit fair value gap up right there. Let's see how it's play out. Okay, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. We see that where the sell side really were residing right now. Alright, we look at this candle, right? We mark this candle as one of the key level right here. And let's see what is the glow of this candle. 45584. It does 84. What the close? What the open? 445 66. Let's say 46. 46. Right? No. Oh, right now it's a 40 rate. What's this one? This one. Yeah, close. This one close. 455 66. Yep. Yeah, so we identify this level right here. What's the open? You see the open of that. That's a key level right there. And let's look at how it's touching right there. You see? Wow. Look at that. Huge level right there. So basically this is the area that we pay attention. And let's see how it's play out this area. Wow. You feel right here, the double bottom, you can see that. Retest. This is a retracement. Yeah, let's wait, see how it's play out at 10:30, 10:35. I mean, on the 5-minute time frame, we still see a bearish. You see right there is bearish breaker, fair gap, retested bearish breaker right there. So let's see how it's played out at this right here. It's still bearish. It's still not finished. Not finished the down move. So don't go long. Yes. You see the same idea right here. In a 1-minute time frame, you see that the bearish breaker fell up and it's retest right there. Yep. So how do we break out this bearish pattern? Let's see. Yeah, don't rush, don't rush. Let the market show its hand. You don't need to try hard, right? Just relax, calm, peace, and the opportunity will show up at your door. That's the attitude we have. No worry, no fear. We not operate under fear, we are above fear. For the 15 minutes, it keep you a little bit hopeful along right here. You see, right? This is a huge downswing, right? Now it's break the take the sell side equilibrium from there. So if the retracement gonna happen, it needs to happen. But how long? How high the retracement gonna go? That's the question. But it's have a condition for it to retracement. The condition for retracement is it met because the buy side was taken. So this is order block. So okay, let's go long right here. Okay, a lot of people are gonna short here, but we're gonna go long right here. 1034. Right, Let's go long right here. Why? Because we have order block, fair value gap, retest, yeah, and the sell salary was taken. Oh, you see that as soon as it turned into the ring candle now. But let's try this trade. Order block. Now we have a setup. Retest. And it's a long setup. You have a sell liquidity. Take it. And you have the also the so-called intermediate term high form, right, which is a so-called buy side liquidity also taken. Entry time 10:34, perfect time for a reversal right there, or retracement. We don't know reversal, but first retracement gonna happen. Targets very easy, just the swing highs, buy side liquidities, prior swing high right there. Yeah, I think this time we got it. Stop loss just right here at that level, and target I think we'll go here. Yep. So let's see how much we reach. Well, I'll start up right here, right? So we reach, let's just say a little bit right here, with 47 cents, and we're gonna gain, wow, that's a huge double, $2. You think it's gonna recover $2 up from here? Let's see. So we reach 40 cents and we earn $2, 12 cents. All right, look at the DR model real quick right here. So basically you have a DR high, DR low implied. So far it hold right there, so that maybe the low up there right there, and it can reverse, go back, or it can continue to go down, right? But right here this setup still play out. I think it's better for it to wait when it take out one more time the sell side liquidity right here. But anyway, we already took the practice trade. Let's see. We reached 40 cents and get $2.12, so that's a good risk reward ratio right there. Anyway, thank you. Bye for now. Talk to you later.